Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Ford remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to split the two halves of the case from top to bottom. We do so by getting our flat-headed screwdriver, and just in the back of the fob there is an indentation where we can pop the blade in, like so, and prise it away, just releasing the catch that's inside. Now what we need to do is we need to split this key fob in half. We do that by, at this point here, there's a little catch, releasing the catch here, and then again on this side, which releases the two halves of the case. And there is your key fob battery. We just get our little screwdriver again. We just prise it out of its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure on this one that the writing is facing downwards, like so, and we know it's in its correct location. Time to pop it back together so you get the other half of the case. Make sure it all clicks in place. Now we just get the top end of the key fob. Make sure everything lines up. And we just click it in place. And there you go, it's all done.